Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. This is Angel of Angel Illustrations, and we're back again with another coloured pencil portrait. All materials and everything are listed in the description. So I wanted to talk about something a bit different this time. I'm very much trying to avoid using the term artistic journey, but this is my artistic journey. Though for me, it's not really a dedicated journey as such. It's more a case of several small, probably quite unrelated incidents that brought me to uploading my nonsense to YouTube. The first one was probably when I was 16. A little bit of history. I don't have a GCSE in art and design. I went straight in at A level because I had a teacher that strongly believed in me, and this more than aggrieved a few of my classmates on the art course because you got to pay your dues, you got to come up, you got to do it the right way. So the first real step of the journey, for want of a better word, is in that class when one of my classmates wandered over, and in the course of his examining of the piece that I was working on, he looked at me and he said, "You're crap and talentless at art." That's a red rag to a bull. Knuckled down, and over the 2-year history of the course, I bust out work that was different to everybody else's in the classroom, but of a very high standard, and I got myself a qualification. And it was later found that when I was on my degree, that the person that called me crap and talentless at art had dropped out of his first year of art school because he couldn't handle it. It was a little bit of justice, really. Yeah, that's a bit petty. But yeah, that was the first part of my journey. And the second was probably around about 2003, where my good friend Kate taught me how to paint digitally. It was a learning curve, and it really set the path for me, because for the next 13 years I was published, exhibited, and yeah, wow. I had such a peak blast of years that it was unreal. You couldn't have made it up. So yeah, the third part is slightly more recent. All this has really begun since I lost my father last year, which is still something which cuts a little bit deep. But as part of my own self-therapy, I threw myself back into the artwork. My wife bought me a set of Caran luminance pencils, and I haven't stopped since. I've thoroughly enjoyed everything I've done. It's just a shame it took such a heart-wrenching event to bring it all back to fruition. So yeah, that's my brief potted artistic journey. My videos are short, so I'm not going to talk it too much. If you have your own artistic journey, feel free to mention it in the comments below. If you like what I do, then you know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Take it easy.